All right, prime time. Thank you for the quick fill and payments on this. We are going to break this baby tonight. This is to randomize the regions for tonight's Ultimate Platinum Jersey break. This is the third one. We will have two others that were delayed from last night. So we check the time, January 31st at 5:29 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. And let's go. January 28th at 5:29 p.m. This is a list of our 30 regions. We're going to randomize the regions, match them to our entry list, and that will determine who has what regions for tonight's Jersey break. You guys can trade regions if you like, but regions only, not individual teams. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 5. All right. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So we'll get this list posted. You guys can trade regions if you like. Then we'll see you later for the break.